Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Post Monday Super Bowl. All right, so what do we got going on today so far? One DTE was about 10 cents from hitting my first profit target, and now it's S&P's bouncing, but S&P has pushed up above the expected move. Darn it, I was kind of hoping I'd hit that first profit target, but oh well. Let's see. Question from what was that question from Aaron? So this little beaker here is the study. Okay, so if you click on this beaker here, and you go to Edit Studies, high, low, open, close, and then you make sure the settings is set to day. So you type high, low, open, close, and it's right there. You add it, and then you make sure it's on day and not month. So that's it. Price just pushed up through highs of day. So in terms of TLC, not looking to enter at all right now. Darn it, man! That really this green bar here really hurt my one DTE, but had a nice push up. Rally continues. Dow just went green. Nasdaq up 62 points. S&P up 18. Like I said, it's above the expected move already. Expected move was 42 points. We opened up down here, so it's a few points above the expected move right now. But yeah, not. I need to see price come back down and chop a little bit more to enter it. My first TLC trade. So one DTE. I mean, man, look at that theta decay on a one DTE. I mean, that is what you want to see. But we need to stop seeing just one direction of price action. But beautiful theta decay in it for sure. Just needs to come back down. This is quite the push up here. So yeah, so I tried to get on around 9:30 Central after the market's been open for an hour because it's typically where I might start getting close to my first TLC trade, but not when price action is doing this, just one direction. Need to see some back and forth. If we could have we got a couple red bars right here. If we could have got a green bar, another red bar, but man, this bar now is. I mean, this is an 11-point bar with. It's still not done pushing. So yeah, just gonna kind of sit tight here and see if price continues higher, or if we can, find a spot to chop around here at highs. A lot of stocks are still in the red. Netflix, Apple, Amazon, Coinbase, Google, ARM, MU, MSTR, SMCI, all red. So kind of surprised that we've eclipsed the upper expected move already with so many red stocks. 15-point bar right there. It's not what we wanted to see when I was 10 cents away from getting filled on my first profit target on my one DTE. Morning, Svetlana. Poor Netflix, man. It's just Netflix just cannot get, even with this push up, just cannot get any. It's still down. It's down over 2%. So, at what point will the S&P stop going up today? That's going to be the question. Just now my 1 DTE is about break even. As far as this week goes, got quite a bit going on to be in consideration of some of the scheduled events. The Fed speakers today, there was 4 of them. And we've got tomorrow pre-market. We got U.S. retail sales, employee cost index. Wednesday, we got unemployment rate pre-market. Thursday, jobless claims pre-market. Friday, CPI free market. CPI pre-market. So a lot of it's pre-market, which is fine. So yeah, I'm just kind of sitting here waiting now, twiddling my thumbs. We're just one direction. So my 1 DT's break even now, darn it. So yeah, so not much to really do here now in the live stream until I start seeing some consolidation. So just going to jump off and just kind of sit here and wait. So not going to enter any type of delta neutral with price doing what it's doing right here. So currently up 42 point expected move. We're up 53 points, 10 points above the expected move almost. So I thought maybe with these 2 red bars it was going to chop around the upper expected move, but it has now just continued to rip. And my 1 DTE is now in the red, darn it. So yeah, not much you can do here. I mean, it's just price has got to cooperate. It's got to stay in somewhat of a range. If it's just going one direction, there's just not much you can do. Limit your risk and not enter any TLC or delta neutral trades until it can show you that it's going to it's going to start chopping and stop pushing. So yeah, so stay tuned. I will give you a heads up when I'm looking at entering a TLC trade, but as of right now, just not going to do it unless it can come down and start to chop around the upper expected move, which hopefully it does. So, all right, I'll catch everybody later. Have a good day of trading, and I'll let you know when I'm ready to enter a TLC trade.